Hello everybody, this is Chris 537 and I was showing you my Commodore here that has a sort of an issue, and does it with the pi symbols, but now it's doing it with the M's on the Sx64. We of course have no keyboard hooked up here but it just wants to type its own thing here. See a little action here. Sorry for the shakiness. But I actually, where the keyboard plugs into the, right up in here, I unhooked everything, and even ran a whole new harness, and it keeps typing whatever it wants to. So, Snog Pitch came up, old David Whitmer, and loaned me a couple test harnesses to get some of the old Commodores running. And we even hooked the one up in here. So we're going to demonstrate it for you. It's already hooked up, ready to go. Still typing random stuff. Without it hooked in, the M's are actually pi symbols. But we have the Commodore 64 diagnostic cartridge, and we're going to plug it into the cartridge slot, and we're going to hit the old power button on the back, power switch, fire it up, and this is what we got. And I wanted to share this with you guys. I thought y'all would enjoy it. Notice the clock in the bottom right is pretty steady with each other, so that's always a good thing. And then it's going to rerun again. Get my leg tripod out here for you. So it looks like we got a bad 6526 chip and a bad 1581 chip. Looks like the RAM's testing okay, which is good. When we were testing this earlier, we noticed, on one of those SID audio, on each note, we noticed that it kept missing one also. We'll let it run again, see if you can notice it. And it don't do the bomb at the end. It's like, so that is definitely a bad SID chip. Still follow it through. It's neat stuff though. Couldn't do without you guys that made these cartridges. Screen's all dirty too. It's been sitting in storage for a while, but we'll let it go through one more time. It'd be cool to hear it miss that note. Still didn't do it. But anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you watched it this long, it's pretty cool stuff. Or should we wait and try it one more time? Why not? We had it do probably about 15 cycles before it did it. That hit them. But anyway, you know, that chip right there looks like it's bad. So hopefully that'll get that M off the screen. Now if we reboot here, take the old cartridge out, it will start printing M's all by itself. So hopefully that'll be what our problem is. Other than that, it works perfectly fine, but looks like there's a little more to it than what I thought there was. And thanks for watching this video.